In this tutorial, we will explain how to update your playlist picture on the Amazon Music platform in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Amazon Music website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout before proceeding. The website displays a series of options and clearly labeled sections which make finding and accessing your playlist straightforward. After the homepage has been displayed, direct your attention to the library section of the website. The library is where all of your music content is organized and stored, and it is typically located at a prominent position along the main navigation menu of the site. By clicking on the library area, you are taking your first step toward accessing the collection of personal and curated playlists that you have assembled over time. Once you are in your library, the next area to focus on is the section dedicated to playlists. The Playlists section provides a complete list of all your custom collections, allowing you to manage and personalize the experience of your music listening. When you select playlists, the interface shifts to display a range of options related to your playlists, setting the stage for the next action in our process. After selecting your desired playlists, the tutorial instructs you to add a song. Although the action of adding a song might sound like a move to simply expand your library, it actually serves an important purpose in this particular process. Initiating the addition of a song causes the platform to generate additional options, one of which pertains to your playlist cover. This may seem like a subtle design choice, but it is an essential part of the process that reveals your current playlist picture and provides a way for you to update it. At this stage, the screen will present you with an option symbolized by a plus icon. The plus icon is commonly used to denote the action of adding or modifying content within the interface. When you click on the plus icon, the interface adjusts and displays your current playlist cover. This visual element is the image associated with your playlist and serves as a focal point for customization. By seeing your playlist cover on the screen, you are now in position to consider updating it to reflect a fresh look or to better represent the mood and style of your musical collection. It is important to observe that the user interface of Amazon Music might exhibit slight differences depending on your account type or any recent updates to the site. Although your screen may vary in appearance, the overall process remains consistent. Ensuring that you are logged into your account and using an up-to-date browser will help maintain a smooth experience. Following these clear steps not only lets you easily update your playlist's visual identity, but also encourages you to explore what other personalization options are available on the platform. Enjoy the process of making your playlist a unique reflection of your musical taste by updating its cover image using these simple navigation steps on Amazon Music.